Hi friends, we are continuing lecture on partial differential equations. So in this lecture we will study how to find the PI in case of linear partial differential equations with constant coefficients. So this is the general form of homogeneous linear partial differential equation. So first of all you have to convert in operator form. For that we have to put dou by dou x equal to capital D and dou by dou y equal to capital D dash. So for Pi 1 upon f of d dash into some function of x and y, and general solution is Cf plus Pi equal to z. Already in case of denominator is not equal to 0, we have discussed about in case of e raised to ax plus by how to find Pi if the denominator is not equal to 0. So in case of f of d of y equal to e raised to ax, generally how to find Pi equal to 1 upon f of d into e raised to x, and we are replacing this capital D with x coefficient, that is a. So that means 1 upon f of a into e raised to x if f of a is not equal to 0. So if f of a is equal to 0, we are differentiating this f of d with respect to capital D. In the same way, if the denominator is equal to 0, we are differentiating this f of d dash partially with respect to capital D, and we are multiplying this fraction with x. So that is, if it is 0, so Pi equal to x times 1 upon f dash of d dash of e raised to ax plus by. So this is the partial derivative with respect to capital D if it is not equal to 0. If it is 0, again we are continuing the process. Now already we are studied about how to find Pi in case of e raised to ax plus by. So in this lecture, if the denominator is equal to 0, how to find Pi? So now we will see one problem based on this. So solve dou square z by dou x square plus 2 times dou square z by dou x dou y plus dou square z by dou y square equal to e raised to x minus y. So first of all you have to convert into operator form. So for this you have to put dou by dou x equal to capital D and dou by dou y equal to d dash. So therefore we will get this is d square plus 2d dash plus d dash square of z equal to e raised to x minus y. Now for complementary function we are equating this value to 0, and if you are putting d equal to m and d dash equal to 1 for auxiliary equation and find out the roots of the equation. So therefore roots are m equal to minus 1 and minus 1. If the roots are repeated, how to find Cf? So in case of roots are repeated, so Cf equal to f1 of y plus mx plus x times f2 of y plus mx, where m equal to minus 1. Therefore we will get f1 of y plus minus x, that is y minus x plus x into y2 of y minus x. So for Pi equal to 1 upon f of d, that is f of d dash, d square plus 2d dash plus d dash square into e raised to x minus y. So generally we have to put d equal to 1 and d dash equal to minus 1. We are replacing d with x coefficient and d dash with y coefficient, that is d equal to 1 and d dash equal to minus 1. If you are substituting, what you will get in this? If you are substituting d equal to 1, this is 1. If you are substituting 1 into minus 1, that is minus 1, that is minus 1 into 2, minus 2, and this is plus 1. We will get 0. In case of 0, what to do? We have to differentiate this f of d dash with respect to capital D. If you are differentiating this with respect to capital D, so derivative of d square is 2d. So with respect to this capital D, d dash is constant, so this value is 0. Derivative of d is 1 with capital D, and 1 into d dash is 1. We will get 2 dd dash. Now we have to check again. Again, if you are putting x equal to, d equal to 1 and d dash equal to minus 1, again we will get 0. Again we have to differentiate this with respect to capital D. So if you are differentiating with the capital D, so this is constant, so this value will be 0, and here d derivative with respect to d 1. So we will again we have to multiply this with x, that is we will get x square into 1 upon this is 0, this is 1, 1 into 2 we will get 2. So simply whenever actually here x minus 1 is there RHS and our roots are minus 1. If this coefficient and if the root is equal, so definitely this denominator will be 0. So how many times this value is repeated, those times we have to differentiate this. Here minus 1 is repeated twice, so that simply without substituting this d equal to 1 and d dash equal to minus 1, we have to differentiate twice, we will get the answer. Suppose if it is repeated thrice, you have to differentiate one more time with respect to capital D. So therefore, so general solution is CF plus PI. So CF is and PI. So solve these equations. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.